What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're gonna be walking around a 1966 Mustang with a 289 in it. The previous owner owned this car for over 50 years. Maybe point out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. This one does have a lot of little scratches and stuff, but at least it's bare and you can see what needs to be done. Pretty good little driver car. It's a 3-speed. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood so I'm not fumbling around with keys and flipping the camera around, just make things easier. We're gonna get up close and personal and check all the bottom panels and pretty much the whole car. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Also, if you go to that website, there's 100 detailed pictures and all of my inventory is updated every Monday. If you see something in the background in one of these videos that's not on the website, that means it's not available. All right, we're gonna get started up here in the front. The bumper's got some rust on it, a little scuffed up. Not perfect. Paint job's gonna have this kind of stuff all over it. I'm not zooming in on every single bit of it. I'm gonna look for rust, any issues you may need to know about, like this. See where that's dented? Got a little dent there. Got a little bit of a bend here inside this fender. Couple holes sitting up here. Big chunk missing out of the paint. A little dent where the chunk is. Be running down the panels here. Scratch right there in the middle of the door. Another tiny scratch. Edges of the door, I mean, they've been chipping. White scratches. Like I said, it's not perfect. Surfaced, well, pitting on the chrome door handles. Same thing on the mirrors. The roof, it's flaking, peeling, chipping, all that good stuff. Gonna need a little love. Needs a paint job. I mean, looks like a solid car though. I haven't really seen a lot of rust on it. Just a lot of chips. Needs some weather stripping. This weather stripping is, I mean, what do you think? That's hard. That's hard as a rock. I don't know how that's keeping water out. But hey, it's working. Which it is. This has been sitting outside. It rained yesterday. That's dry. Package tray is solid. It's a survivor right here. Back bumper, pitted. Needs to be cleaned up. Got some chips missing. Missing paint. Shuts perfect. Oxidized paint. Chips on the corner. That's probably the worst spot on the car right there. It's not even rust. Let somebody sand it down back here. It's like they sanded and reshot. They took the top off of it. This is all over the door there, just little chips and scratches and all the good stuff. Checking the bottoms of the panels again. I mean, that's solid though. I'm not seeing any bubbles. It's a good looking car. Other than all the paint falling off. There's not a lot of rust. Under the hood, not perfectly clean. Could have painted it, you know, flat black or something, made it look a lot nicer. Leave it the way it is. Whenever you get the car painted, you can touch all that up. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out. Coming up on the door here. Weather stripping is still not so soft. Checking out the bottom of the door. The jams. It's pretty good. There's a rip in the seat right here. Interior's a little bit faded. Package tray looks good. Headliner's not too bad. See, it's older. Steering wheel does have some cracks on the top. The carpet looks pretty good. Not too bad at all. Checking across the dash here. Got a little crack. Showing 39,000 miles. We'll go ahead and start her up. Starts up nice and easy. Go ahead and try the radio.
Nice. In honor.
Radio's working. Oh, blower motor's working now. There it goes. High's working as well. Had to try it out for a second. Horn. Horn works. Gas gauge, I did put gas in it and it's not working. Wipers, working pretty good. Got oil pressures coming up. Interior lights are coming on. You don't see that much. Never really. We're working late tonight. A couple hours over. Man, I'm starting to think we're good to go. Nice and quiet exhaust. Motor's super quiet. All right, so next step, I'm gonna look under this car, check out maplemotors.com, close to 100 detailed pictures. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Get those detailed pictures. We got financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. We update our website every Monday. See stuff in the background on our lot, and it's not on the website. It may not be available. We post all the time. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can see test drives and walkarounds daily. If you don't mind, hit share button, help us out, share this video. Check out our Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Hey, that TikTok's blowing up. They said like 4,000 people subscribed today. I was astonished, really. I was like, wow. My buddy Justin's up here at the lot, and he's posting all the time, so help us out by joining that as well. We'll keep all this stuff rolling for you and try to keep a constant supply of classic cars. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again.